Hey folks, just wanted to do a quick video just to show you how to use the DIY module, maybe a little bit more advanced than just the initial introduction video. Um, just want to help you to see how you can mix and match the different pieces of private content with of the DIY module, like Lego pieces, because really that's where the power is. And first, I'll just kind of show you how I'm thinking about things when I just kind of I'm approaching trying to create a workflow that is effective. So I'll come to the drawing board first of all like this and say, okay, I know I need a headline. I know I need an outline. I know I need an introduction. And then I know I want to have maybe 5 body sections: body 1, body 2, body 3, body 4, body 5, and then a conclusion module. So go body 1, body 2, body 3, body 4, body 5. Now, next thing I'll think about is what I actually want the body modules to do. And here I'm just using principles of writing here, especially when you're trying to write a persuasive article. So I want the introduction to help the person see why they should read on. I want the body module to emphasize the common mistakes people make. I want the first, but that's the first body module. The second body module to enlarge the pain from the mistakes people make. I want the third body module to drive in the benefits of avoiding these mistakes. And I want the fifth model, the fourth body module to introduce the solution, and then the fifth would give practical strategies for the solution, and then conclusion then wraps it all up. Yeah, so this is so what I'm sort of thinking, and if you look at what's going on here is we've already sort of formed almost like an outline body as well here. So in the outline section, we could have all of this. I'll be showing you exactly how we put it into the module. So let me just format this smaller. Oops. Oh, sorry. Now formats the whole thing. There's no way to do it there. Okay. Yeah. So that's that will be the sort of what will be in the outline, the headline, the outline. And so this is telling me now that I need altogether 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 modules. So let's go into the DIY module and add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the first one was headline, outline, intro, I'm just copying the bits here. Yeah. And so one body 1, body 2, body 3, body 4, body 5, and then conclusion. And just to help me be clear on what each module is doing, the introduction, I'm just going to write that here, why they should read on. Body 1, emphasizing common mistakes. Body 2, enlarging the pain of the mistakes. Body 3, driving in the benefits of avoiding the mistakes. Body 4, introduce the solution. Body 5, give practical strategies for the solutions. And body 6, and then conclusion wraps everything up. So as I'm looking at each of the body contents, I'm thinking, okay, so emphasizing common mistakes. I feel the common mistakes might be better served by a bullets. So I choose a bullets module. I feel enlarging the pain from the mistakes, just so that it doesn't seem too monotonous. Let's choose a body, because bullets could work as well for here, but let's choose a body module. Then drive in the benefits of avoiding the mistake. Let's use a body module here. Introducing solutions. Let's choose a body module here, and then giving practical strategies. And I'm thinking the strategy will be in sort of steps, so I can choose a bullet style module here. And so we got the initial setup for the templates here. I can save this as maybe a problem solution workflow. So problem to solution workflow, I've saved that as okay. Now, so once I've got that, then what I can then start doing is thinking, okay, what kind of changes do I need to make to the out the headline? Um, so remember from the previous video, I said you could just delete everything from above system, and then you've got somewhat of a template here, but just kind of make sure that you also just delete one of these because this is two examples. Two different types of examples here. So you've got a how-to based headline example, or you've also got a list post style headline example. So I'm going to delete this one for now. Make sure that you always have a system line here at the beginning and an added info line here at the end. Now, the system line, this is for you to really tell the AI what you want it to become for this specific task of writing the headline. So for example, it already says that you are an expert article headline writer and you write me a headline that mimics the following example. So since we're writing a sort of problem to solution type article, well, we're creating a workflow for problem to solution type article. What we can do here is say you are an expert you are an expert article headline writer. I want to kind of emphasize an expert problem solving article headline writer, and you write me a headline that mimics the following problem to solution examples. Okay, let's keep the same keywords here, but we just need to kind of change the types of headline because I want it to be a problem to solution headline. I will save what we've created so far. One of the good things is with Private Content Wizard, you could actually go to the headline modules. You've got a bit of a how to, what is a sort of problem to solution? How to use a problem to solution. Mistakes and warning headline is also a problem to solution type headline. So let's use the mistakes and warning. What was the more examples you create for the AI, the better. So for each example, you need to have a keyword and a keyword and the headline, a keyword and the headline. So the keyword will have, so you should have keyword 3 dots, headline 3 hashes, keyword, three dots, headline, three ashes, um, until you reach the last one that then has the added info, and finish off with three ashes. It's important that you follow that formula, because the code relies on these to know where to make changes and how to instruct the AI. Okay, I'm going to create maybe five. Let's create five to give enough um, content. So let's choose that first keyword of losing weight. So we go to the headline, put losing weight. We're using mistakes headline. Let's have five. Yeah, I like that. The doctor's deadliest diet mistake that leaves you fat. I love that. So let's take that and go to the DIY module. I'm going to change that headline. You notice that whilst I'm not, whenever anytime you close this, it saves the headline. So you could just close it there, close it there. It saves whatever changes you've made. So the headline we have is here, but we want to change that to mistakes and warning. Mistakes and based headline. Okay. Now what's important is for each example you give, you must present the exact words and context in the squared brackets. It must be the exact one for all of them. If you change one, it will skew up and confuse the AI somewhat. And in other words, the AI has to give you a very variable results, which you don't quite want. Okay, so let's look for one for dry cough. Save and close. Common cold mistakes that's drying out your lungs forever. Okay. Let's take that. Okay. We need one more example. So I'm just going to copy that. Let's make it about, what can we make it about? Let's make it about film writing. Save, close that. Unseen plot mistakes that waste your audience time. That's nice. So did we say we're going to make 5 examples? So let's make 5 examples then. Let's copy that. cooking boiled eggs. Now, why do you need to take this much effort to create your templates? Because that template, the better the template is created, the nicer it looks, the more effective it is, the better the writing output you would see at the very end. Cooking boiled eggs for too long and simple cooking mistakes that ruin. Simple cooking mistakes, I don't quite like that one. Let's see if we can get better. Deadly cooking mistake that will ruin boiled eggs. The egg spilling mistake that scrambles your whole day. A simple mistake that turns your perfect. Ooh, that's good. A single mistake that turns your perfect boiled eggs green. Don't want my boiled eggs. Just had a weird vision of green boiled eggs just right now. Certainly don't want that. Okay. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make one more example for the headline. Okay. So just like that, we've created one more example. We've created the headline template for this workflow. Cooking boiled eggs. What do we make? Let's write running faster. Whoop. Running faster. If I make running faster, just be careful not to have too much space. Running faster. Five, a simple mistake that slows you. Don't speed up, you're doing it wrong. Nope, don't like that. 7 silly running mistakes that make you slow down forever. Shocking speed mistakes that make you run slower. Silly mistake that cost me my speed. See if we can get something better. That's not doing well. Let's see if we can twist one of the other types of headlines. Run faster. Running mistakes that cause you to sacrifice. Running mistakes that running mistakes that kill your endurance. Let's do something like that. So common mistakes that destroys your endurance. I'm just capitalizing it because the first letters, because it just follows the format of what we've done so far. So that gives us the 5, should I say, um, little known running mistakes that destroy your endurance. So that gives us the 5 examples for the headline module. I'm going to stop this video here just so that it doesn't get too long and it's easy to follow, and then I'm going to continue the outline module explanation to actually an advanced explanation for getting the best outline module for your workflows. Okay, thank you, have a good day.